Hello. In this video, we're going to see how to answer this problem that is part of module 2.6.4. And it tells you that they're giving you a system of equations where these two are constant numbers, a and b. And they're telling you that there is one solution, a unique solution, and to find it in terms of these a and b constants. So we're going to see which one among these options is the correct one. Okay, so we have out of our system of equations, we come out with our augmented matrix, taking the coefficients. And then what we need to do is we're going to row reduce this. And that means that we want to get a 1 in this position. And what we're going to do then is we're going to divide or multiply times 1, 7, row 1. And that's going to give us the matrix 1, 8 sevenths, and a over 7. The rest of the matrix so far doesn't change. And now that we have our 1 here, what we're going to do is we're going to use it to transform this one into a 0. So we're going to do the row that changes is row 2. And then we're going to do plus 7, row 1. So it's kind of like coming back to this step, but that's the way that we do our row reduction. And that's going to give us our answer here. Okay, so we still have 1, 8 sevenths, and a over 7. And this operation is basically adding these two, right? So what we get is 0, 7, and a plus. Okay, in the next step, so we have our 1 here, and that's great. And now we're going to move to this place, and we want to get a 1 here. So that means that we're going to do 1 7th times row 2. And the matrix that we're getting is going to be 1, 8 sevenths, a over 7, 0, 1, and a plus b divided by 7. And again, using this one right here, we're going to transform this one into a 0. So the operation that I need to do is the row that changes is row 1. And I need to multiply this one times negative 8 sevenths times row 2, and I need to add those. So let me do the operations here, and then we'll write our answers. So row 1, we have it already, is 1, 8 sevenths, a over 7. And then if I multiply negative 8 sevenths times row 2, I get 0, negative 8 sevenths. And then negative 8 sevenths times a plus b divided by 7. So I'm going to add these two, and this gives me 1, 0. And if I do this one, that is going to give me altogether b minus a divided by 49 is just like a fraction, so you know how to do that. And that means that my answer is going to be 0, 1, a plus b over 7, and my new row 1 is going to be this one, 1, 0, b minus a divided by 49. And now we just read what is the solution, right? So these were the coefficients for x1, the coefficients for x2, and the other side of the quality. So that tells me that the solution is that x1 is equal to b minus a divided by 49, and x2 is a plus b divided by 7. And that means that the answer choice was D. And that's it.